Welcome to my vlog.
Hello everyone, good morning po. Isang magandang
Perfume, etc.
guys, my husband, he feel tired, so now we are not going to play bowling, and we are here in the second floor, so we will go outside to wait for the public bus 101 because we don't have car. He dropped to the shop for repair, so we are using today public bus. So it's not always using bus, but me, lagi ako nagbabas, so okay lang sa akin, sanay ako. Yung asawa ko hindi sanay magbus, ha? Tara, samahan nyo kami sa aming travel. Oh, where's the sun? Where's the sun? Sun is outside.
We took a taxi going